Much greetings to everyone here at Rising Engineer 2020. I hope you are doing well. Life is full of surprises, and I think once in your lifetime you have been or you will be surprised by folks while driving. Even if you are an experienced driver, fog can make driving difficult and even dangerous. Here are 10 safe driving tips for handling even extremely dense fog. Number 1. Slow down and allow extra time to reach your destination. In other words, maintain a safe speed. The fog could cause you to see objects in front of you later than you normally would. That's why it's important to reduce your speed and put more distance between yourself and other vehicles. Don't accelerate if a car behind you is too close. It can be tempting to try and lose the guy who is right on your tail, but that can actually make your situation more dangerous. Stick to a safe, reasonable speed limit in the fog, even if other drivers don't. Number 2, leave plenty of distance between your car and the one in front of you. Decreased visibility means longer braking times, so that added space is your friend. In other words, slow down. It may take you longer to get to your destination, but your safety is worth it. Leave plenty of distance between you and the vehicle in front of you to account for sudden stops or changes in the traffic pattern. The extra space will increase your reaction time. Keep an eye on your speedometer. It might seem like you are moving slowly when you drive in the fog, but you will want to speed up. Don't go by feel or your eyesight. Stick with what the numbers are telling you. Number 3, make your vehicle visible to others both ahead of you and behind you. By using your low beam headlights, since this means your taillights will also be on. Visibility is key when driving through fog. For you and fellow drivers, make sure your headlights are on no matter what time of the day you are on the road. Headlights will allow you to see better and ensure drivers behind you can see your brake lights. Number 4, avoid using your high beam lights though. It might seem like brighter lights are the solution to low visibility, but not in the case of fog. Using your high beams while driving in a dense fog can create glare. This would make it harder for you to see what is ahead of you on the road. Stick with your low beam headlights instead and use fog lights if your vehicle has them. Number 5, resist the common need to use the lights of any vehicles in front of you as a guide. This can actually cause you to focus too much on the narrow patch of landscape in front of you, causing you to miss other things. Number 6, to ensure you are staying in the proper lane, follow the lines of the road with your eyes. Use right sideline pavement marker as a guide. Anything that enhances your visibility while driving in fog is an asset. The white line that's painted on the right side of the road can be a helpful guide in these situations. You should not use the center pavement line to guide you. However, doing so might move you closer to oncoming cars. If you are having trouble seeing them, they are likely not seeing you very well either. Number 7, reduce your distractions. Your attention should always be 100% on the road when you are driving. It's even more imperative that you are completely focused when driving through dense fog. However, eliminate whatever might distract you. Turn off the radio. Ask any passengers to be quiet. Stay off of your phone, even if you have a hands-free device. Skip cruise control. Foggy roads can have surprises waiting, and it is best to maintain complete control of your car. Number 8, keep your windshield and windows clear. Driving in a fog is a great time to put your windshield wipers and defrosters to work. Fog can create a moisture buildup on your windshield. further decreasing your visibility. The defroster should be at a warm to hot setting in order to dry out the moisture. Your windshield wipers can also help keep the glass clear. Take advantage of your windshield wipers and defrosters. Moisture and ice on your windshield can create glare, which can make it even more difficult to see. Give yourself the best view possible by creating off your windshield completely. Number 9. In extremely dense fog where visibility is near zero, the best course of action is to first turn on your hazard lights. Then simply pull into a safe location such as a parking lot of a local business and stop. It might be tempting to stop your vehicle when you can't see where you are going. Don't do that because cars coming up behind you might not realize you are stopped until it's too late. If the fog gets too dense, find a safe place to pull over that outside of the flow of traffic instead. A public place to wait out the fog is even better than hanging on the side of the road. Pulling into a gas station or other roadside venue is a great idea. Check your mirrors before slowing down and gently apply your brakes. The earlier you can start to tap the brakes, the better. Your brake lights will alert drivers behind you that you are slowing down and will not catch them by surprise with a sudden stop. If there is no parking lot or driveway to pull into, pull your vehicle off the road as far as possible. Once you come to a stop, turn off all lights except your hazard flashing lights. Set the emergency brake and take your foot off the brake pedal to be sure the tail lights are not illuminated so that other drivers don't mistakenly run into you. If you keep them on, other drivers might think you are in the travel lane and a collision could occur. Once you are stopped, turn on your hazard lights. Number 10. Piece of advice we have for you to manage the fog is the simplest solution. The best advice for driving the fog is don't drive. Thank you very much for being with us. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Your comments are most welcome as well. And don't be shy to share this video to your friends and your social networks. See you in our next video. Until then, be safe. God bless you.